What is up, guys? It is the Sauce God. Kevin here, back again with another Roblox video. And today we're going to be playing Roblox Jailbreak again. And as you guys can see, I have gotten more Robux right here. I got 10,000 for Christmas. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I know I'm late. Okay, so as you guys might be surprised, I've been grinding a lot. So right now, I have a lot of money. I have 562,000, and I already have the Bugatti, so I don't need to buy that. Also, the winter update came out, so right now I'm saving for the Tron bike, which is why I'm not going to spend any money. I also got some of the new safes. So I should put my penguin on. I would put on Snowman, but it's too glitchy. Hey, boy. Can you let me get guns? Question mark. I'm Wreck. I'll shout you out. Guys, shout out to JackAttack_876. Go give him a follow. Send him a few friend requests. Let's give him some support. Okay. Now, let's see if he'll let me in. Oh God, there's cops in there. Jesus Christ. No, don't get arrested, Jack. Don't get arrested. Okay, I'll see if I can break my friend out. Oh, never mind. Can't break him out. Let's see if I can get this key card. Oh, I got a pistol. No, I got tased. I should have jumped. Let's reset. Today we're going to I'm going to show you guys my Bugatti, and we'll try to get one thing robbed. I have VIP, mobile garage, bigger duffel bag, SWAT, car stereo. I have all those game passes. After this video goes up, I will be doing a legendary football video, maybe with Terrence, and then he's almost home, so he's gonna message me when he's home, and I'm gonna record another jailbreak video with him, but we're not gonna have a mic because he's not at my house. So we'll just be typing in chat, but that's okay because I don't care. Oh yes, my friend has a key card. Guys, shout out to Guess Luli. He's been really nice to me. He's a really good friend. Yes, I got a key card. Okay. Now let's try to get out of here, and then we're gonna rob something. Oh God, there's a cop up there. I'm gonna have to use my skills. Oh my God, he's camping. Oh my gosh, I have to jump out. Bro, I swear. Nope. I'm not getting arrested. Oh, Terrence is here right now. That's Tkiel10. You guys remember that account from my other video. He said shoot him. I'm trying, Terrence. I'm trying. Got him. I'm wrecked. I'm wrecked, bro. Say hi. He said, let go. I got key. Let's go. Let's go. Gang gang. Gang gang. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. yeah! Oh yeah! Come on, boy! Come on! Pick this up. No, you arrested Terrence, and I'm gonna kill you. Okay. Okay, I gotta go back and get Terrence. He's my good friend. Gotta go back and get him, cause he can't just leave him like that. It's not good. This person wants me to give him a shout out, but their channel name is tagged, so I can't. Where's Terrence? TK. Say hi to YT. Lol, he just waved. Okay. Let's kill this cop. Come on, Terrence. Get in there. Oh god, he's here. He's here. Let's go, let's go. No! No! Yes. Kill him. No! He got me, guys. He got me. No. Oh, Terrence is rich, boy. Bro, you're rich. But I have more money. I guess this video is just going to be about killing cops, I guess. Since I can't get out of prison without seeing a cop that I have to kill. Jump. Oh, that guy is acting. So, Terrence. Bro, you're rich. Bro, you're rich. Okay, so, guys, where's Terrence? Oh, I see him. He's punching the box. Like, bruh. Okay, so, he's waiting for me. He has 120. The only game pass he has is bigger duffel bag. I slid out. Okay, so this is the new skin I got. Jump over the fence. Then he's gonna get in the car with me. This is the new skin. I don't have a Lambo yet. Wanna buy it? Okay. He said, nope. What you see me for? What you see me for, boy? I gotta see what this man's saying for. I might give him some cash because he's a really good friend of mine. Tags. And reversed. I'm gonna ask him, does he want to do my legendary football video? Does he want to be in my legendary football video? Okay, let's go to the criminal base. Get our guns and stuff. I have a lot more clothes. No. My car. Oh. Oh, okay. Bro, where are you? Dang. Okay, let's go to the Bugatti. The Bugatti. I'm finna actually. Train is so laggy. I know, right? He said lucky. This is what it looks like on the Bugatti, guys. Did that guy... He's a no-clipper. He's no-clipping with the car. Okay, so let's wait at the jewelry. So, let's take flight. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, so. Okay, it's only us in here. Okay, so I have bigger duffel bag. And if I get my full 5,000, then I should get 6,000 because I have VIP. Well, you just got spotted on camera. You're gonna get banned. I'm well, caught on camera. No clipping with the car. LOMBEID. I'm reporting this to Bad CC. I'm gonna get banned. Or should I? I don't want to be a snitch. I might not. I hate no clippers. They're annoying. They have no life. Give me this. Yeah, give me that. Let's go. Day and night. Oh gosh, bruh. Shoot. Kevin, go. You wanna be in my LF? Okay, let's do. I'm about to have to end this video because I don't have that much time left. So I gotta rob this jewelry store and then I'm gonna end it. I will make more videos. If you guys like this, just tell me in the comments down below. I think he died. No. Did he leave? Yeah, he left. Where's my... Oh, I'll just get this one because it's mine anyway. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of just trolling cops and I finally got arrested. I will post on YouTube when I'm about to get the Volt bike or the monster truck. I don't know which one I'm going to get yet. But I will post when I'm going to get it, and you guys like, subscribe, and stay cool, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.